In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Cursor to N8n. This process will be explained in a clear, step-by-step manner, allowing you to seamlessly set up the integration and automate your workflows. Whether you're new to N8n or looking to refine your skills, this guide will provide the clarity needed to ensure everything functions smoothly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to N8n. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one by visiting n8n.io. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. From here, your journey into connecting Cursor begins. Next, let's create a new workflow. Think of your workflow as the canvas on which you'll build sequences of tasks or automations. To start, simply click on Create Workflow. This will open up a blank slate where you can start adding the necessary steps to integrate Cursor. Now, we need to set up your starting action. This is the initial trigger or event that tells N8n to start your workflow. Depending on your needs, it could be something like receiving a webhook, a trigger from a different app, or even a time-based action. Choose the one that best suits how you wish the workflow to begin. Since Cursor is not directly available in N8n's predefined actions, you will need to use the HTTP request node. In the search bar, type HTTP request. This node gives you the flexibility to interact with any API, including those like Cursor, which might not have a direct integration with N8n yet. With your HTTP request node ready, the next step is to choose your HTTP method. Depending on what you're trying to achieve, you might select methods like GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE. These methods dictate the kind of request you're making to Cursor's API, so ensure your choice aligns with the required action. After selecting the HTTP method, it's time to enter the API URL provided by Cursor. This URL acts as the endpoint where your request will be sent, so double-check its accuracy to avoid any connectivity issues. Typically, this is where you define the specific action you want to perform with Cursor's API. Selecting the appropriate authentication type is crucial. Cursor's API might require a certain method of authentication, such as an API key, OAuth, or basic authentication. Familiarize yourself with Cursor's API documentation to ensure you use the correct authentication credentials. Before proceeding, review the other available settings in the HTTP request node. Depending on your setup, there might be options that need to be enabled. Carefully configuring these settings ensures the efficiency and security of your request. Once you've double-checked all the configurations and are confident everything is in place, click on Execute Step. This action tests the connection to see if the request works correctly. If successful, you should see a response from Cursor, confirming that the integration is functioning as expected, and there you have it. By following each step carefully, you've successfully connected Cursor to N8n, opening up a new realm of automation possibilities. Be sure to explore further customization options within N8n to make the most of this newly established connection. Thank you for watching and happy automating.